Hi all, don't know if you've watched my other videos, and if not, please watch, subscribe and like if you like them, or comment, and I might be able to give you some more information on the things I'm doing. Anyway, a few weeks ago, 4 or 5 weeks ago, I did a review on the Kriega US 30 luggage, and I showed how it fitted on the back of my Tuono Factory, because it was a concern of mine when I bought the bike. And I'm going to the Alps mid-September, and I wanted to make sure that the luggage was going to be safe, secure and not unstable in the bike. So I've been researching a lot and doing a lot of research and finding out what's best. So what I've actually ended up doing was, and I did a review on this earlier on, is I purchased the Hepco Becker sports rack, which good reviews, bad reviews, but watch my review on it and see what I've done to make it better, and still work to do on it as well. So on this, the only thing I did, just quickly covering it off now, is I just drilled and tapped all the way through, put this new bolt in, and now this is really sturdy. Generally they do have a little bit of play, because this bolt is fitted from underneath and you can't do any adjustments when you get the seat on. So here you can actually tighten this up. I'm going to change that to a dome head, but enough about that. That's in my review. So subscribe, or just go and review, look at my other review I've done on the Hepco Becker. What I wanted to show you today was how well the US 30 luggage fits on the back of a factory Tuono. People say, can you tour on them, get a different bike? Now I probably will change it next year, and I probably will get a different bike, but for this year, for touring, I am going to use this bike. And I wanted to make sure it's secure, as I was saying earlier on. So what I've done is I've put the Hepco Becker sports rack on already, and I've put these straps on ready. So I've bought additional straps from Kriega, not cheap unfortunately. Strap kit's about 35-40 quid. So you can see I've put all the straps on, fitted them all on just for demo purposes, just so I can show you how secure this is. And so let's get the bag and show you how secure this actually fits in. It's amazing really how well it fits into a sports bike. I have got also, and I haven't put anything in it, it's just because I just wanted to show you guys how well this fits. I've got the US 10 fitted on there as well, and if I'm honest, I think I'm going to put in there the puncher plugs, spare fuses, CO canisters for punchers, etc, etc. So all that sort of gear I'm going to be putting in there, and then hopefully I'm not going to need them, to be honest. Okay, so let's just get this so you can see better. So basically, once you've got all the straps on, literally with this kit, it's so easy. You're just like clipping it in. 4 clips really. And the bags have got waterproof liners in them anyway. I mean, because the Tuonos are known for the water that comes over the back of a Tuono is quite horrific. You just got to tighten these down. Tighten them down really good. Make sure it's all square. There you go. Look at that, guys. That isn't going anywhere, is it? And you got to admit, for a sports bike, sorry about this, I just couldn't bother to fill it up, but that would normally be full. That's going to be full when I tour. As you can see, guys, it looks pretty good, doesn't it? And it's so easy just to fit these in, and look at it. I could probably still tighten it up a little bit more as well. So yeah, so tour on it, guys. Tour on your Tuonos. Get a Hepco Becker rack. Look at my other review of what I've done to make that more secure. Appreciate these straps are hanging everywhere. All right, I haven't tidied it up, but I'm just showing you how impressed I am with how sturdy that is. Anyway, guys, thought that'd be worth doing, because I've done a review previously saying that I would be happy with touring with that sitting on my pillion seat. I probably would but I wouldn't be as happy as I am now it's sitting on the Hepco Becker. Anyway guys, I say, have a look through my other videos. If you like them, like them. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. I'm going to do a bit of video when I go across the Alps, just to give you guys a bit of an idea of what it's like. Is it worth doing? Without even going, it's worth doing, I believe. Anyway, okay, so keep a lookout for that, and have a good day. Speak soon. Bye bye.